Discover the secret to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design types. Make every space shiny. So hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the whole page. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So we have here how to create a website for free. So follow these six simple steps to create a website today. So the first step, we have to choose a platform. We have here sign up for a secure, reliable and powerful website builder. So then we have the second step, start creating. Choose from over than 900 full functional templates or use the EA website builder. We have the third step, is customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and tailor your site to fit your brand. Then we have the fourth step, is optimize for search on chain. Increase your site's visibility with a suite of built-in SEO tools. Then we have publish your website. Register and connect a custom domain name and go live. Then we have the last step, is promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So all you have to do right now is just click over get started, and then you write your email address and you confirm your email. Then you write your password also. Then you confirm your password. Then you click over sign up. Then we have here, let's get started. Who are you creating a website for? So we have you for myself, my business, for my friend, and we have you for a client as a freelancer or an agent. So let's click over it. Then you click over continue, and you'll find here agencies and freelancers. Wix Studio is the platform for you. So we have the first one, it's manage multiple clients, sites and projects all from one workspace. Then we have collaborate and create with your team in real time on the canvas. Then we have design with custom breakpoints, code-free animations and responsive EA. Then we have ensure a seamless handover with personalized client kits. Then you click over continue with Wix. So we have you bring your ideas to life with EA, tell us about the site you are creating, and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So you click over set up without chat. Then we have here what type of website you want to create. So we have here online store, portfolio, blog, consultant. So let's choose portfolio for example, and portfolio design of course. Then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will just wait for preparing your dashboard. So I have you live in your dashboard as you can see. Then this is the dashboard, and we have here what would you like to call your website. This will be used to customize your online experience. For example, I will give, and then I will click over continue. Once you do that, you will find here Wix apps. Choose the apps you'd like to add. Give your site more functionally with Wix business solutions. So you click over continue, and then we have here real self. Head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your sites. So let's wait. So this is the dashboard as you can see. So we have your setup, we have your home, getting paid, all payment, portfolio, apps, and other options here. Explore, hire a professional help, upgrade, and you have just to add your project to your portfolio, design your website, get found on Google. So right now, let's click over design site here. And here we have how would you like to design your website. I have the first one, generate a design with EA, can personalize site design in seconds. We have this here, customize a template, browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize, pick a template. So we click over generate a design. So Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So this is how it works with Wix, and right now let's get started with design. So you can just right now click over continue with this design, then you click over here complete the site with your own domain. Give your site a more professional look with a branded domain name. So you have just to click over let's go. And then you have to wait. So in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drag and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So then we have here add elements, add section, pages, and menu, have sites, design, add apps, my business, media, seems you have just to click over the one you want and you modify it here. If you have a photo, you can also upload a photo and you have to modify it and you add it. So as you can see, this is how it works with Wix. You have also here portfolio and in the dashboard here, as you can see. What domain you want to connect to Zeta Shop onto the web address you want for your site. It can be a domain you want to buy or one you already own. So for example, this one. And that's it, how it works with Wix. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.